So how does a hot water pressure washer work? It's basically a cold water pressure washer feeding a burner with a coil that's heating the water up and then going through your spray gun. You'll see the term that's going to be 120 or 150 degree temperature rise. That really means that whatever temperature you're feeding to that heater, it's going to add that additional temperature to it. So if you're feeding 50 degree water to it, it's a 100 degree rise. You're going to end up with 170 degree water coming out at the other end of that unit. You can definitely use a hot water pressure washer to do cold water pressure washing. You don't have to use the heater. You can always bypass that. That's just an extra added benefit. You're typically using hot water pressure washers for cleaning grease, maybe gum, things like that, but typically more for greasy applications, mainly in body shops, things like that, cars and trucks and things of that nature. So when you've got a hot water pressure washer, yeah, you definitely want to find accessories rated for hot water. Your hoses have to be rated for the hot water, depending on the temperature and the pressure rating. Your accessories need to be rated for that hot water as well. So you need to be aware of what temperature you're dealing with in that water and make sure that those accessories are rated for that temperature. After all this great information we provided for you today, you're still on the fence, you're still not sure what you want to look for, go to pressurewashersdirect.com/best. and you'll find all the recommended pressure washers, all the best accessories. Everything else you need to know is going to be right there for you to check out. If you're still not sure, feel free to give us a call. We're here to help you.